grounding techniques for the anxious, and the how-to of how can I ground myself, and what does to ground yourself mean. Hello, it's Linda here from the Linda Simpson Heartisan channel, and also my website where you'll find lots of good stuff, neutralizingwithlove.com. And today we're going to talk about grounding yourself, and this is the fourth part of a series about stopping sneaky stress. And then at the end of this part of the recording, you'll find the assisting frequency recording of Overwhelm. It's an Anahata Code frequency, and it transmutes overwhelm, takes away the fears. Oh, totally worthwhile. You'll see that if you sit through it. And if what you hear here in the Heartisan channel feels good, will you come and join us by subscribing? And even if you push the little bell, you'll get told when I put one of my weekly videos up. And if this video speaks to you, then push the like button. It helps people find it, and then we'll help more. Thanks for the support, beautiful soul. So previously in this series, and this series is about stopping sneaky stress. 5 effective ways to stop sneaky stress. And we've covered where does the stress live in your body. We've covered recognizing how it affects you so that you can catch on and stop it faster. And creating ways to stop the cycle and create new cycles based on love and positivity and not fear. And today we're looking at that well-used term, grounding yourself. Now, what does it mean to ground yourself? For me, grounding yourself, grounding myself, is a process of balancing myself on all levels. Physically, emotionally, mentally, and energetically, creating a balance and a reconnection with you. It's nothing secret or hard. It's just about stopping in a microsecond and switching over. Stop being caught up in like maybe somebody else's dialogue or maybe an old dialogue that you've had. Stop, ground, and be. And this is as simple or as complex as you feel on the day, or as time and life permit, really, because sometimes you've got like that nanosecond and other times you might have an hour. And I don't know what you've thought about grounding techniques, but like, what are they? I have outlined more about grounding techniques in the free ebook, the 5 effective ways to stop sneaky stress, which I've just talked about. And the link, you'll find the link on the main page of the channel. There's a click-through link there. Or if you drop down into the description, you'll find the raw form of the URL there. You can just copy and paste it, and it'll take you straight there, and you can get that document. It's a great ebook, a lot of good information in it. Yeah, so what are grounding techniques? Really, one of the most simple is breathing. Counting your breath. Just breathing. As long as you stop and recognize that your breath is in your chest instead of down further and closer to your abdomen. If you recognize that, take a deep breath in and breathe deeply until you yawn. That's just one of the magic parts. Breathing deeply till you yawn. Because then you've oxygenated your system and you've focused on something other than the treadmill of thoughts going through your head. Another way is balancing your energy circuits. And I outline that more clearly in the ebook. It's quite a long and involved description. It's not an involved practice, but it's an involved description. And you can take your time about that inside with the information in the ebook. Another really simple way is just being on grass or seeing trees. I have a view that I'm looking at right now from my office window, which shows me a great tree called an Illawarra flame. It's a magnificent rainforest tree from here in Australia. And just beyond that is somebody's mango tree. They're both in my neighbour's yard, but I get to borrow them. And every now and then when I plant sunflowers, they reach up to the window as well, and I can see their happy yellow heads. That that's actually one of my resets, is seeing that picture and the blue sky beyond. You can just literally think about a favourite tree. Imagine the grass under your toes. Just those kind of imaginings are enough, and they will get you back on track. They really, really will. If you have a few more moments, you can ground yourself step by step. So how do you ground yourself step by step? You can actually do this by focusing on your 5 senses. This one is so simple. We were just talking about some of them. What I see outside my office window. What do you see right now that you can just focus on? And if you're in an office area where you're restricted, bring something in that when you look at it reminds you of something, like a shell or a leaf or a crystal that you can just look at. Feel. We talked about feeling the grass under our feet. Sand. What does it feel like? Even the feeling of a hug. What are you hearing at the moment? In the far distance, I can hear a neighbour mowing their lawn. And that's enough to zone you out, just listening to that faraway drone. And smell. What's the major smell around you right now? And taste. What can you taste? What does your memory give you right now? A taste. All of these just take you out of that moment, out of the silly moment of stress, and into you now. It's called living in the moment, and that statement gets overused too, doesn't it? But grounding is actually a result of you really seeing that you're feeling stressed and that you may be in overwhelm. It's actually the first step. And continuing these steps just cement a new lovely cycle into your cell memory, and you do pick up the stress signals earlier. It's just practice and knowing that you care enough to try. Our step 5 in this series is about choosing change and how change is your friend. It's one of my mantras, change is my friend. It's about small ripples and baby steps, stepping into a new vista. And that will be coming up next. That's the next video that I plan to do. But now I'm going to leave you with the assisting frequency recording of Overwhelm. Enjoy. And at the very end of the recording, once you've let the frequency settle into your cells, you'll see the links to other helpful videos. Sending out love to you over the airwaves. Settle in, relax, and let the activation land alongside your own intention to see anxiety more clearly in your world and to see beautiful ways to neutralize it. Take care, beautiful being. Bye for now. It's Linda back again, and today we're going to activate the assisting frequency of Overwhelm. While you get relaxed and settled, let me just share what I think overwhelm is. I think it's the build-up of mini anxieties, mini and maxi anxieties over time, and our inability to identify them and neutralize them. And that's what the Overwhelm Anahata Code will assist with. These frequencies will pop into your heart library and just neutralize all of the dumb stuff. I've used this code many times myself, and every time I share it with a client, it's there. So don't think too much about it. We all know about overwhelm and anxiety from all the different stuff that's out there. So let's just activate it. If you haven't activated an Anahata Code before, it's a very simple process and powerful, quite magical. I'm in charge of saying all the numbers and the spaces that make up the magic, and you're in charge of holding the intention to be open to this to work in your heart library. Just sit comfortably. If you haven't had a drink of water, then stop the recording and go have a drink. It's good to be hydrated for this work. This work is very gentle, very loving, nothing based in fear, all based in love, which is why I've just been so attracted to this in my work. So if you're all relaxed and settled, you can just be sitting, you don't have to be lying down. Place your right hand over your heart chakra, just over your heart in general is fine, and your left hand up in the air, as if you're going to receive something in your palm. Rest your elbow somewhere if that's suitable, and just close your eyes and let the feeling wash over you. Just be at one with my voice and feel the magic. Are you ready? We ask for, align with, and allow this beautiful Anahata Code. With gratitude and love, we activate the assisting frequency of the fear-based emotion of overwhelm. 471196 28551432 471196 28551432 471196 28551432 471196 28551432 471196 28551432 471196 28551432 471196 28551432. Now place your left hand over your right and take a deep in-breath and whoosh that breath out. Take another deep in-breath, and on the out-breath say out loud, "It is done, it is so." And just sit with the music and let it activate. Feel it work in your body. Sending you love, beautiful being. Bye for now.